Hi, in front of me is Oppo A33 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Start by opening Settings, then scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Click Keyboard and Input Method and choose your keyboard, in my case it's Gboard. Go into Theme and tap on Show More to see all available themes. Now you can pick a color and apply it, or download one of the images and apply it as well. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!